Keeping your lungs healthy is essential to feeling your best. Yet, common factors, including exposure to cigarette smoke and environmental toxins, as well as eating an inflammatory diet, can take a toll on this pair of essential organs. Common conditions, such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and pulmonary fibrosis, can significantly affect your quality of life. However, research has shown that lifestyle modifications, including a nutrient-rich diet, can help protect your lungs and even reduce lung damage and disease symptoms. Moreover, specific nutrients and foods have been identified to be particularly beneficial for lung function. This video will show you the 5 best nutrients for clean and healthy lungs. Let's go. The anti-inflammatory properties in a high level of allicin help fight infections and reduce inflammation. Garlic has also been considered by many as being an effective remedy for improving asthma and can help to reduce the risk of lung cancer. An apple is healthy, loaded with nutrients, high energy, high fiber, and low-calorie food. Its flavonoids, a wide variety of vitamins, and antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, help us to maintain a vital immune system and a healthy respiratory system. When we have healthy respiratory functions, we can fight off lung diseases and prevent them naturally. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger will help to clear your lungs naturally. You can add ginger to various dishes as it is a widely used herb. Also, you can add it to your morning tea. You can also use it to prepare ginger tea blended with some lemon. It is beneficial in removing toxins from the respiratory tract. Drink a cup of your favorite herbal green tea before bed to release toxins in the intestine that can lead to constipation or other stomach ailments. It would be best to abstain from overloading your lungs with intense work during this cleansing process. In order to optimize the oxygen transportation faculties of the lungs, healthy hemoglobin levels are absolutely critical. Hemoglobin is a protein molecule found in red blood cells and aids in transporting oxygen from the lungs to body tissue. As an added benefit, hemoglobin stimulates the internal processes that return carbon dioxide back to the lungs to be expelled from the body. Black beans, cowpeas, dried peas, lentils, red kidney beans, garbanzo beans, and soybeans are some foods containing properties that raise hemoglobin levels. Additionally, supplement beans and lentils with vitamin C-rich foods to maximize iron absorption. Okay, those 5 foods will help you clean and heal your lungs naturally. If the video was helpful to you and if you are interested in more similar content, please don't forget to click on the subscribe. Also, don't forget to share the video with your friends so we can make the world healthier together. See you.